This tutorial will help you learn to use an analysis to correct unbalanced or misplaced punctuation and inconsistent capitalization. After typing your composition into Word or opening an existing document, click on the Writer's Workbench Analysis Programs button on the ribbon. Then, click on the Unbalanced or Misplaced Punctuation and Capitalization Analysis button and click OK. When your analysis appears, click on the More Info button. You are told that you should always have an even number of double and single quotes, the same number of left and right parentheses, and apostrophes only in contractions or in possessive nouns. Then, you are told how quotation marks should be used with other punctuation. Next, you read the analysis of those points of punctuation in your composition. You see that you have an odd number of double quotes. Since word search will not find single characters, you click on Doc Analysis to go to your composition. Then, you use Word's Find and Replace function. You hold the Control key and tap the F key on your keyboard. Type the double quote character and click this Find Next button until you find the unbalanced double quote in your composition. This double quote appears to be a typographical error. Click Cancel to close the Find and Replace function and delete the double quote. When you return to your analysis, you decide to check the 8 apostrophes to see that they are used correctly later. Because you have one left parentheses but no right parentheses, you will need to add a right parentheses. You return to your composition and you type Control F, type the open parentheses character, and click Find Next. Then, click on Cancel in the Find and Replace box. Type a closing parentheses after the now time, and return to your analysis. Scroll to the Problematic Punctuation section. There, you will read, compare your problematic punctuation to the revisions suggested by Writer's Workbench. Reposition end marks and commas, check for missing capital letters. Writer's Workbench found 2 sentences with problematic punctuation. After comparison, you see that you need to capitalize the first word in this sentence. Highlight the text and click on Word Search. Capitalize in at the beginning of the sentence and return to your analysis to study the next item. When you look at the position of the comma in relationship to the closing quotation mark, you see that you need to move the comma to a position inside the quotation mark. Highlight the text and click on the Word Search button. Make the correction suggested and return to your analysis. When you scroll to the capitalization section, you are told that this analysis identifies words that are capitalized inconsistently. Then, it explains some logical reasons for variable capitalization, and it provides examples of inconsistent capitalization. Highlight the word tempest and click Word Search. You notice that if the word tempest is referring to the name of the play, it should be capitalized. The first 2 occurrences of the word tempest are in the title of the paper. The next 5 occurrences of the word refer to the name of the play, so should be capitalized. Final occurrence, however, refers to a storm and should remain as is. Return to your analysis and close it now that all suggested changes have been made. Rerun the analysis to ensure proper punctuation and capitalization. Before using the unbalanced or misplaced punctuation and capitalization analysis, you would be wise to complete the steps Unbalanced or Misplaced Punctuation and Capitalization program. That program will enable you to understand and to use this analysis more effectively in revising and editing your composition.